Hello students and everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We will begin class 8 maths practice at 4.1 part 3 on textbook page number 22. Draw an isosceles triangle. Draw all of its medians and altitudes. Write your observation about their points of concurrence. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal and third side is different. First you have to draw base line segment 6 cm. Name of the line segment is segment BC. To draw an arc, you have to keep the round on point B and point C. Both should intersect each other when you draw an arc. Then you will get both sides equal if you use the round and pencil. Take the distance between round and pencil 8 cm to draw an arc on point B and point C. I have drawn an arc on point B and point C, and after that you have to join this line segment, and then it forms an isosceles triangle. Join the line segments on both the sides where you have drawn an arc, that is segment AB and segment AC is 8 cm. First we will draw an altitudes on all three sides and then we will draw medians. To draw an altitudes on all three sides, you have to keep the rounder on all 3 points to draw an opposite sides arcs. And then outside again you have to draw an arcs of triangle ABC. The distance from a point to the opposite side should be same where you are drawing outside arcs. Keep the rounder on point A and draw an arc to the opposite side BC. Outside of side BC, down again you have to draw an arc. The distance should be same from the point to the opposite side BC. Now keep the rounder on point C and draw an arc to the opposite side AB. Outside of segment AB, again you have to draw an arc. The distance from the point C to the opposite side AB arcs where you have drawn. When you draw outside arcs, the distance should be same. Now keep the rounder on point B and draw an arc to the opposite side AC. Outside of side AC, again you have to draw an arc. The distance should be same from point B to the opposite side AC, the arcs where you have drawn. When you are drawing other arcs outside. and then after that you have to join an altitudes on all three sides. Altitude of segment BC of triangle ABC is here you have to join. Altitude of segment AB you have to join here straight line. Then altitude of segment AC you have to draw here straight line. I joined all three altitudes of segment BC, segment AB and segment AC of triangle ABC. Now we will draw medians of all three sides of triangle ABC. To draw medians on all three sides, we have to draw perpendicular bisectors by taking more than half distance with pencil and rounder. First we will draw perpendicular bisectors on segment BC. You have to take more than half distance between pencil and rounder when you draw perpendicular bisectors. Draw upside and downside arcs on point B and point C. Now you have to keep the rounder on point C, and again you have to draw an arcs on upside and downside. You don't have to change the distance when you have taken more than half distance on segment BC. Now we will draw perpendicular bisectors on segment AC. Take more than half distance between round and pencil. Keep the round on point C and draw an arcs upside and downside on point C and point A. You can extend this arc if the arc doesn't intersect each other on point A and point C. Now keep the round on point A, and again you have to draw an arcs. It should intersect each other. Now we will draw perpendicular bisectors on segment AB. Now we will join the medians on all three sides. Median of segment AB is here. Median of segment AC is over here. Then median of segment BC is on here. I have joined the medians on all three sides of triangle ABC. This is the orthocenter and this is centroid. O is the orthocenter of triangle ABC and G is the centroid of triangle ABC. You have to observe it and then you have to write down the observation. The observation is the altitude and median lies on the same line which is perpendicular to segment BC. This is an observation. Fill in the blanks. Point G is the centroid of triangle ABC. If length of RG is 2.5, you have to find length of GC, which is the median of length of RG and length of GC. Segment CR is the median of length of RG and length of GC. You have to divide this median, the centroid, each median in the ratio 2:1. GC is greater than RG. GC you have to consider it as 2 and RG you have to consider it as 1. In each median you have to divide the centroid, each median in the ratio 2:1 in this way. GC and RG you have to write ratio form of median CR, and that the meaning is the centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. So first we write the reason. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. That is length of GC upon length of RG is equal to 2/1. Then you have to substitute the value. Length of GC you have to write as it is upon length of RG is given 2.5. So that place you have to write is equal to 2/1. You have to do the cross multiplication to find length of GC. That is length of GC into 1 is equal to 2.5 into 2. Length of GC ones are length of GC is equal to 2.5 twos are, that is 5.0. Therefore length of GC is equal to 5. If length of BG is equal to 6, then you will find length of BQ. Segment BQ is the median. Median BQ you have to find it at last. Before that you have to find length of GQ. In median BQ you have to divide the centroid, each median in the ratio 2:1. Length of BG is greater than length of GQ in median BQ. So length of BG you have to consider it as 2 and length of GQ you have to consider it as 1 in ratio form. When you are dividing this median, the centroid, each median in the ratio 2:1. So length of BG and length of GQ you have to write ratio form, that is 2:1 in median BQ. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Length of BG upon length of GQ is equal to 2/1. That is length of BG is 6 upon length of GQ is equal to 2/1. Now I will write in cross multiplication form to find length of GQ. Length of GQ into 2 is equal to 6 into 1. So this is division equation. Length of GQ on left side write as it is. Length of GQ is equal to 6 ones are 6, 2 which is on the left side, when you take on the right side you have to divide, that is 6/2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Length of GQ is equal to 3. Now we will find median BQ, that is length of BQ is equal to length of BG plus length of GQ, that is equal to length of BG is 6 plus length of GQ is 3, that is equal to 6 plus 3 is 9. Therefore length of BQ is equal to 9. If length of AP is equal to 6, then you will find length of AG and length of GP. Segment AP is the median. The median AP 6 is given. AG and GP, which you are dividing the centroid, each median in the ratio 2:1. AG and GP is not given, so that you have to find. Median of segment AG and segment GP is segment AP. So median AP is given. Median AP is 6. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. So first we will write the ratio form of median AP. Segment AG is greater than segment GP. Segment AG you have to consider it as 2 and segment GP you have to consider it as 1 of median AP. So in median AP you have to write the ratio form of AG and GP, that is 2:1. That is length of AG upon length of GP is equal to 2 upon 1. GP you have to take it as x and AG you have to take it as 2x in the ratio form of AG and GP of median AP. Let length of GP be x and length of AG be 2x. In this you have to solve like equation form, but not to use the cross multiplication method. Length of AG plus length of GP, that is equal to length of AP. Length of AG is 2x plus length of GP is x is equal to length of AP is 6. 2x plus x you have to add, that is 3x is equal to 6. This is division equation. So you have to divide 6 by 3 when you are finding value of x. That is 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 upon 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. X is equal to 2. That is, therefore, length of GP is equal to 2. Now I will find length of AG. Length of AG what I have taken? 2x. Length of AG is equal to 2x, that is equal to 2 into 2. You have to take value of x is equal to 2. After solving an equation sum, x value what you got, so that value you have to substitute. Number and variable together is there, that you have tried multiplication form. That is 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Therefore, length of AG is equal to 4. If you understood class 8 maths, practice set 4.1 part 3 on textbook page number 22. Give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.